Good morning, children. Good morning to everyone. Okay, fine. So now listen here. First class children, are you all ready, children? Okay. So this is science class session. Okay. Now today I am going to teach you the new lesson. What is that? Living things and non-living things. First I will teach you what is the meaning of living things. Living things means which has life, which can move, which can grow, isn't it? Which can breathe. Okay, they can breathe, they can grow. Okay, so now one more thing, and they can move also. So now listen here. For example, you take a plant, baby plant. Okay, you take any plant or a tree. So living things means what? Which has life. Living things means which has life, children. Okay. So teacher will going to use some Telugu words with you. I am going to just for you to make it clearly. I am going to use English and Telugu, your mother tongue also. Okay. Just only for a few lessons. First and second lesson I will be explaining with you simultaneously Telugu and English. Only for you to understand. Just you came across from UKG to first class, children. Okay na? ఇప్పుడు వినండి, ఇది ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ ఏంటి? లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ అండ్ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్. లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ గురించి నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ రేపు మనం క్లాస్లో చూస్తాం. టుమారో ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ. టుడే లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ మీన్స్ విచ్ హ్యాస్ లైఫ్. ఓకే, లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ మీన్స్ విచ్ హ్యాస్ లైఫ్. ఓకే, నౌ టీచర్ లైఫ్ మీన్స్ వాట్? దే క్యాన్. లైఫ్ అంటే ఏంటి? దానికి ప్రాణం ఉన్నదానికి లైఫ్ అంటాం. దేనికి ప్రాణం ఉంది టీచర్ అంటే? మనకు కూడా ఉంది ప్రాణము. వీఆర్ ద హ్యూమన్స్. వీఆర్ ద హ్యూమన్స్. వీ హ్యావ్ ద లైఫ్. అనిమల్స్ హ్యావ్ ద లైఫ్. ప్లాంట్స్ హ్యావ్ ద లైఫ్. ఇన్సెక్ట్స్, బర్డ్స్. Yes, good. So those things what? They have the life. Okay. Now I will write you. Tell me now. So which has the life? Now tell me now. Number one, plant. First I will start from humans. Okay, children. Now humans, that is human beings. Okay. Number two, what is that? Plants. Plants also has a life. Number three, animals, which has life. Okay. Number four, birds. Yes, which has life. Insects, which has life. Okay. Yes. Now those all the things, I mean humans, plants, animals, birds, insects. Now listen, take first human. I will draw one picture, any picture. Okay. Now this person can this boy is what doing? He can play with a ball. Okay, why? Because he has a life. He has the life, so he can play, he can run, he can fly the kites, isn't it? He can fly kites, he can play with a ball. Okay, next one. Now take any animal, children, any animal. A rat. Okay, this is our rabbit. You take rabbit. Rabbit, what happened? Rabbit can eat. Even humans can also. What happened here? Animals, they can eat. What animals can do? And humans or birds, they can eat. They can eat their food. Okay. So humans, now don't say for plant. I am talking about for only humans. Then animals, birds. Okay. They can eat their own food. Okay. Now here you take rabbit. Now you take the rabbit. Now what happened for this rabbit? What the rabbit can eat? Carrot. So it is a living thing. It has life. It can move anywhere. Rabbit can move anywhere, isn't it? It lives in burrow. Okay. They need the shelter also. Here for the human also need shelter. Animal also need the shelter. Okay. Now here this human has the life. Animals also has a life. Human can eat the food. Animal too can eat the food. Human can breathe. Animals too can breathe. Isn't it? Now it can move. Humans can move. Animals can also move. Now they can breathe. I am once again telling you, I am just making you to understand. They can breathe. Humans can breathe. Animals can breathe. Now birds. Come back to birds. Yes, birds too can breathe. Understand? If you catch the bird and you just keeping in any dark room, can it live? No, it will die. So like that, birds, animals, humans. You take one insect. Yes. Okay. Insect. Take any butterfly, anything. Now what happened? Butterfly can fly. Because why? It has the life. It has the life. వీటికి అన్నిటికీ ఏముంది? ప్రాణం ఉంది. అర్థమైందా చెల్లు మీకు అందరికీ? ప్రాణం ఉన్న దానికి ఏమంటాము? లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ అంటాము. అర్థమైంది అందరికీ? ఇప్పుడు వీళ్ళందరూ ఏంటి? ఇదిగో బర్డ్ ఉంది, ఫ్లై అవుతుంది, అవునా కదా? అనిమల్ కుందేలు, ఇట్ రన్స్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్. హ్యూమన్, he can play, he can move anywhere. Animals also can move anywhere. Birds can fly, isn't it? దాన్ని గన్ తీసుకొని షూట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? బర్డ్ చచ్చిపోతుంది. దానికి ప్రాణం వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కదా. మళ్ళీ దానికి ప్రాణం ఉంటుందా? కొడితే ఎలా ప్రాణం ఉంటుందా? ఈ బర్డ్కి ఉండదు, చచ్చిపోతుంది. దానికి అప్పుడు ప్రాణం పోతే ఏమంటారు? ప్రాణం పోతే దానికి డై, ఇస్ంట్ ఇట్? ఇప్పుడు బర్డ్కి వింగ్స్ ఉంది, ఇది బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తుంది, పైన రెక్కలతోటి ఫ్లై అవుతుంది, మంచిగా పైన ఎగురుతుంది, మంచిగా ఫ్లై అవుతుంది. దీన్ని చంపుతారా? తప్పు, రాంగ్, ఇస్ంట్ ఇట్? ఇట్ విల్ డై. దెన్ యూ విల్ క్రై, టీచర్ మై పెట్ బర్డ్, ఇస్ంట్ ఇట్? సమ్వన్ హ్యాడ్ కిల్డ్, సో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ డైడ్. దానికి ప్రాణం ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని లేపితే మళ్ళీ లేస్తుంది, దాన్ని చెప్పిన తర్వాత లేవది. So it is a living things. You take insects, butterfly, you take one example. So many insects are there. Mosquito is there. Okay. A butterfly, housefly, so many spider, everything, ant. Okay. Every living things they has the life. Even ant also. ఒక చీమ తీసుకోండి. చీమని చంపేస్తారా? పట్టుకొని ఎర్ర చీమ కానీ నల్ల చీమలు కానీ మీరు కనిపిస్తుంది. మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? దాన్ని పోతే మమ్మల్ని ఎక్కడ కరుస్తుందో ఏమైనా వెళ్ళిపోయి కొట్టేస్తారు. దాన్ని ఏమవుతుంది? చచ్చిపోతుంది. దానికి ప్రాణం ఉంటుందా? ఉండదు యాంట్కి, అవునా కదా? యాంట్ ఫ్లోర్లో పోతూనే ఉంటుంది. దానిపై ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు? ఒక బుక్ తీసుకొని పడాలని పడేస్తారు దాన్ని. అది ఉంటుందా? కాళ్ళతో తొక్కేస్తారు. ఇఫ్ యూ స్టాంప్ ద యాంట్, వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? ఇట్ డైస్. అగైన్ ఇట్ విల్ వాక్. ఇట్ క్యాన్ మూవ్. యాంట్ క్యాన్ మూవ్? నో. సో అండ్ ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ టు దే హ్యాస్ దేర్ ఓన్ లైఫ్. ఓకే టీచర్, వాట్ అబౌట్ ద ప్లాంట్ టీచర్? దెన్ ప్లాంట్ ఆల్సో హ్యాస్ ద లైఫ్. ఎస్. హౌ? No, don't think. Why teacher? It can't breathe. It can't move. Plant can't move anywhere. Plant too has the life. If you pour daily water, it will grow nicely. Okay. If you didn't pour the water and you get the plant and keep it in the room, the dark room or anywhere, place it without any sunlight and don't pour any water, can the plant will survive? ఉంటుందా చెట్టు? ఉండదు, చచ్చిపోతుంది చెట్టు. మీరు ప్లాంట్ తీసుకొచ్చి దాని ముద్దుగా సన్లైట్ కావాలి, దానికి నీళ్ళు కావాలి, వాటర్ కావాలి, వెలుతురు ఉండాలి ప్లాంట్కి. దాన్ని తీసుకొచ్చి ఆ ప్లాంట్ని మీరు కబోర్డ్లో పెట్టుకుంటారా? బ్యాగ్ లోపల పెట్టుకుంటారా ప్లాంట్ని? నో. అవునా? ఏమవుతుంది? ప్లాంట్ చచ్చిపోతుంది. సో ఈ ప్లాంట్కి ఏం అవసరమో ఇది నడవది. ప్లాంట్ నడుస్తుందా? మీరు ఎక్కడైనా చూసారా చెట్లు రోడ్ మీద నడవడం? చూడలే కదా. ఇట్ వోంట్ వాక్ ఎనీవేర్. ప్లాంట్ డజంట్ వాక్, బట్ ప్లాంట్ హ్యాస్ ద వాట్? The plant can grow. It can grow. Plant too has the life. Plants too has the life. దీనికి కూడా ప్రాణం ఉంది. మీరు వాటర్ డైలీ పోయాలి. మళ్ళీ యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ టు pour the water regularly. Place this plant in the sunlight. Okay. So how it prepares the food? With the help of sunlight, water and air, isn't it? So all the three things are necessary for this plant. The plant needs air, మంచి గాలి ఉండాలి, నీళ్ళు అవసరం ఉంది, మళ్ళీ సన్లైట్. ఇవి మూడు ఉండాలి ప్లాంట్కి. ఓకే. దీనికి అన్నం తీసుకొచ్చి పెడతారా ప్లాంట్కి? నో. ఓకే. ప్లాంట్ అన్నం తిన్నది. ప్లాంట్కి ఏం అవసరమో? వాటర్, సన్లైట్, air. Okay children? So now listen. 1 second. You told me about first one, humans. Who are the humans? We are the humans. You are the humans, isn't it? Okay, మనమందరం మనుషులు కదా, మనమందరం అనిమల్సా? No. Okay, don't laugh. Everyone is laughing now. See, we are all humans. And what about this? It's an animal. You take any animal, goat, buffalo, cow, any animal, horse, donkey, all animals. All the animals has their life. Okay. The next one, birds. Birds too has their life. Plant also has a life. Insects also has their own life. Okay, now listen here. So all the living things can move. All the living things can move. They can breathe. Okay, they can breathe. Sorry. They can breathe. They can move. Now tell me what else they can do? Grow. They can grow. Very good. One more. Tell me now. You said breathe, move, grow, and they can walk. Living things can walk. Is it clear now? So I had shown some examples, pictures, and I explained you. Again, you recap the sessions for tomorrow class. And living things means which has life. So you can see. Life means to whom you can see, for where you can see this all life. Okay, humans, plants, animals, birds, insects, right? So human has a life, plants also has a life, animals also has a life, birds and insects. Good. So now everyone, they can eat also. This is, they can eat. Living things can move. They can move. They can eat. They can breathe. They can breathe. They can breathe. See here, I am writing here. Okay. This is move. M-O-V-E, move. Okay. They can eat. They can move. They can breathe. One more is they can walk. And another one is they can grow. They can grow. Understand all of you? Is it clear now? So this is the thing we had learned now. Okay. Now listen here. This is called what? Living things. Okay. All living things need food, water and air. What do they need now? All living things, what do they need? Tell me now. Okay. Air, food and water. Yes. All living things, they need what? Food, air and water. Those three things are very most important. Okay. Food they need. Air they need. Water also they need. They can survive. Okay. Now see, look at here. For birds, it needs food. Birds also needs food. They need air. They need water. Same animals, humans, plants also. See, look at here. Air, water, sunlight. Isn't it? So like that, living things need food, air, water and sunlight. Understand children now? Is it clear? So this is the about living things we had learned today. Okay. So living things which has life. Okay, they need water, air, food, air, water and sunlight. Okay, so what are the living things? Humans, plants, animals, birds, insects. What they can do? They can grow, they can walk, they can breathe, they can move, they can eat. Is it clear everyone? Clear? Okay, so you do this. Tomorrow again I will ask you about the living thing. You should give the answer very fast. Okay, what are living things mean? Then you should say. Okay, what the living things need mean? Then you should say air, food, water and sunlight. Okay, what is the meaning of living things? Living things which has life. Okay, it is called living things. Now listen here. If I ask you tell me any 2 or 3 living things means, you can say humans, plants, animals, birds or insects. You can select any 2 or 3. Next one, what does they need? Living things, what they need? Air, food, water and sunlight. Okay, is it clear children, all of you? Any confusion? Here I had drawn the pictures some, I had shown. Here I had given the living things. There I had shown what the living things they need and what they can do. Okay. So tomorrow again I will recap this session and I will start the non-living things class. Okay children? Thank you.